Okay, so good morning, students. Today we will see about the virus alert. Okay, so in virus alert, first thing I will tell you, I think you have seen in WhatsApp app that about the revision test. So all of you give the revision test of introduction to networking. Okay, username and password also I have given. You just write down your username, password, and who are the new students or whose names are not there in list. They just give your name and class and section. Okay, so today we will start virus. About the virus we will see what is a virus. First thing we will see virus means what. Virus is actually a program which replicates itself. It spreads from one computer to another through email attachment or portable devices, file download, malicious scripts introduced by a website. Through this way this type of viruses can spread, and it attaches itself to a number of host files. Okay, so computer virus then proceeds to harm a computer system by corrupting its data, losing its data, or stealing, hijacking a system resources and control. So there are different type of viruses like boot sector virus, macro viruses, then file infector virus, directory virus, boot sector virus. Okay, so there are different type of viruses. First thing is macro virus. Macro virus means what? Macro virus actually a type of malware where that targets those files that are created using programs such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Access. This type of files. And macro, it is a group of instructions, or you can say that carries out commands automatically. So it hide the documents which are easily transferring through an email or a network connection. Okay, so the examples of these type of viruses like Y2K, then relax, these are the macro viruses. Next is memory resident virus. Memory resident virus means these are a part of this attacks themselves as a part of operating system. Okay, so they actually only act when the operating system starts running. Through that operating system it infects the whole part of the computer, after which any open files could get infected. When you open any file, then it will infect it. So like CMJ, Mr. Clunky, Brandex, these are the memory resident virus. Next is file infector virus. File infector virus, as it name displays, refers that a file infector virus attacks the files, particularly executable files like .exe files, and what it does, it deletes the information it may contain. These viruses simply replace the content present in the infected file with the junk contents, means its own content. So that is file infector virus. Next is directory virus. Directory virus means this is usually located at the in the hard disk and may often attack an entire program from the from that hard disk. This type of virus generally infects a file with an extension .exe, .com. This type of files are infected. Okay, so a virus named as like DIR2 virus. This is actually a directory virus. Next is direct action virus. Direct action virus could be found in the root directory of a hard disk. However, it is known to change its location frequently when deactivated. A direct action virus replicates itself and begins to attack the files present in the directory. Okay, and the specified file autoexe.bat, that is auto executable batch file. So this type of files are infected through the direct action viruses. Next is boot infector virus. Okay,